Hey everybody, it's George. I'm here at Harding. So we just had a quick electrical inspection for the main rough-in on the kitchen and all the knob tube that we took out in the basement. Passed the electrical inspection, so that's always a good feeling. And now we can really get on to the big meat of the work here, which is getting the house ready for all the installs. So we've been finishing off parts of the demo, of course. Most of it was already done, but we went a little bit further on the kitchen than we initially intended to. Mainly because we just need to give it a clean look. If we tried to patch everything over after the install of the electrical, it wouldn't have looked right. So, speaking of patching work, I'm up here in the bathroom, and obviously we've got a fair amount of cleanup work to do up here for the sheetrock and plaster guys that are coming in next week. But I'm in the bathroom, and this house just continues to show us little things, and I love this. Because as I'm sitting here, I'm just cleaning up some of the demo that we did the other day. I still got to pull out the toilet and get rid of the paneling that's on the wall. Not a big deal. But I was staring at the floor because there's this linoleum on the floor here. You get the typical linoleum crap that's here. Okay, so it rips up easy. That's not a big deal. But as I was looking at it, and there's this flooring underneath it, and at first I thought it was another layer of linoleum, just a decorated. And then I'm thinking about it, and it doesn't make sense. So I came down again, got on my hands and knees here, and I was just going through this. Because if you look, it's tile. And it's beautiful tile. It's that octagon shaped tile. It's got great grout lines and everything. I don't know if I can save it though, so I've got to talk to a tile guy to see if it's something we can salvage. And the reason why I say that is because there's an area in the floor right here that you guys won't be able to see in the video. You can see that there's a crack line for about 1.5 feet here where it just looks like, just where the house settled. So if we can salvage this, just like with the kitchen, we're going to try and salvage those wood floors. If we can salvage it, we will. But otherwise, unfortunately, we'll have to cover this up. But man, this project's great. It just keeps showing us little things. Like, again, look at this. That's beautiful stuff there. That if we can, I tell you, if we can salvage that, that'd be a huge win. There's just so much adhesive though that we'll have to clean up, but maybe we can get that done easily enough. I say maybe because you never know until you start pulling up the rest of it what you're gonna find, but boy, I'll tell you, that would be awesome if we can salvage this floor. That'd be gorgeous. So, Harding Street keeps giving us little surprises, all bonuses so far. We haven't had a bad surprise yet. I can't believe I'm actually uttering those words and I probably just jinxed us, but that's the way it goes. All right, everybody, have a good one. We'll see you.